Hello everyone, this is the winter season and let's learn winter vegetables names. The first one is potato. This is potato. Spinach. This is spinach. Onion. This is onion. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Turnip. This is turnip. Radish. This is radish. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Garlic. This is garlic. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Spring onion. Spring onion. Lettuce. This is lettuce. Green peas. These are green peas. Celery. This is celery. Leek. This is leek. Kale. 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 Mustard green. Mustard green. Mint. Mint. Cucumber. Cucumber. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.